headlines. 77 die of COVID-19 in India. Positive cases rise to 3,374. Trump urges PM Modi to lift export hold on anti-malaria drug for COVID-19 treatment. And former Manipur Deputy CM L. Chandramani no more. Hello, you're watching the news today at 1. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. 77 people have died across India after being infected, while the number of positive cases rose to 3,374, Health Ministry said on Sunday. Over 33% of the cases have been linked to a religious gathering of the Tablighi Jamaat at Delhi's Nizamuddin Markaz last month, the Health Ministry said, adding that these positive patients are spread across 17 states and union territories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also appealed to people to light candles and diyas or switch on torches or mobile phone flashlights for 9 minutes at 9 p.m. today to illuminate the common purpose we are all fighting for. The light from the lamps will show that we are together in this battle, he said. 11 days into the lockdown, an informal group of union ministers is exploring the possible next steps and options after the 21-day period ends April 14. It is learned that the group headed by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh may be in a position to make up its mind only after looking at the corona numbers, rate of growth of new cases, the extent of the spread by April 10. President Donald Trump yesterday said he requested Prime Minister Narendra Modi to release orders placed by the United States with Indian pharmaceutical companies for hydroxychloroquine doses, which he has personally touted as a game changer in the fight against the coronavirus, as per a media report. Trump told reporters at the daily White House briefing on the coronavirus outbreak that he had called Modi and urged him to release the amounts we ordered. He added, they are giving it serious consideration. Prime Minister Modi tweeted about the phone call but did not mention the American president's specific request. He only said they had a good discussion and agreed to deploy the full strength of the India-US partnership to fight COVID-19. India is one of the world's largest manufacturers of hydroxychloroquine, a drug that has been used for decades to treat malaria and lupus. Former Deputy Chief Minister of Manipur, Dr. Lamjingbatomtv Chandramani Singh passed away at 11:50 p.m. last night at Advanced Hospital, Imphal. He was 85. A report said he experienced a stroke. Dr. Chandramani joined politics in 1972 and later served as Deputy CM twice, Speaker and Minister. He served as President of Manipur People's Party and also as office bearers of Congress and Manipur State Congress Party. We'll take a short break. Keep watching.
Khanghanjaba, Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited na Hogzik Oiriba Khudong Chadba Kaya Sigi Yenglaga, Miyamgi Damag Hospital Asigi, Maternity Ward Pung Kunmari Hangduna, Miyamgi Thawal Taujaragani, Adumakpu Hospital Asigi Atopa Department Singdi Service Lepchagani, Hospital Asida Laktringe Mamangda, Makhada Pizariba contact number Asida Hanana, appointment Lobiu Amadi, Patient Kamui Amadagi Hena, Loina Biraktanaba, Khanghanjari. Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited, Rim Southgate, Kombinai Kaitel, contact number 8258 967890.
Sangai Services Private Limited, Yellow Mida Tabak Pirasi, Tabakta Chilau Tiroisi. Adomadom na mayuk nariba awaba sing adu kohan nabagi damak laizare, Sangai Services Private Limited. Yum gimi yam na laizade haibagi awaba lebiganu, Yum gi darkar oiba tabak thoram sing tawbina ba sinmi nekpage khudong chaba phongbigani. Manipur da ahan bo oina yam na hongna amadi yam na laina, phone call amakhakna darkar oiba sinmi nekpa yabagi khudong chaba pijariba Sangai Services Private Limited ne. Pung kharagi amadi nongmagi waibagi khudong chaba su pijari. Pijariba service sing di any type of construction, driver and home tutor available, housekeeping and house cleaning, pest control, catering service, electrician, carpenter, plumber, electronic repairing haibadi, fridge, AC, water purifier asina chingbasing semjari amadi any type of labors available. Akupa Moral Gidama contact Tobiu, Sangai Services Private Limited, Uripok Torang Mamlekai, Manipur 795001. Aikogi contact number 7005071707 Natraga 7005112624. Aikogi email ID sangaiservices@gmail.com. Hidak oina amadi thau oina animak sizinaba yaraba sangbrai thau fangbiragani. Sangbrai pambidagi sungba organic oiraba amadi side effect leitraba thau asina hiram kayada kanaba piri. Nungsang, laikoi, haksang chikpa, laihau, apomba, phuri, samkenba, tonsil na chingba kaya laingbada kanaba piri. Thau si thakpadi yade. Akupa Moral Gidama contact Tobiu, Sangbrai thau, Kiamgai Maning Lekai, contact number 9366949
Welcome back. Based on reliable information, a team of Churachandpur police arrested 2 UKNA militants from Churachandpur district yesterday during operation. The arrested has been identified as 52-year-old Paukham Haukip of Tuibong, Churachandpur and 44-year-old Jangmang Haukip of Ziongwang, K. Langom village. A case has been registered at Churachandpur police station in this regard. Amid the COVID-19 total lockdown and curfew, Congress MLA A.K. Mirabai has been distributing food items to the people of Patsoi constituency over the past few days. Moreover, the MLA has opened a relief fund counter with an objective to help ease inconveniences of the residents during the lockdown. Komrem Students Union General Headquarters and Komrem Students Union Churachandpur branch along with Samulamlan Subdivision, Komrem Village authorities and youth clubs organized a 3-day free NFSA rice distribution program at 20 Komrem villages from April 2nd to 4th. This was informed in a release from Komrem Students Union General Headquarters today. Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch extended aid to Loitongbam Dhanachandra Singh's family of Utlo Mayalekai, Bishnupur district, whose house was destroyed in a major fire on the evening of March 3 last. The Red Cross team handed over kitchen items, towels and 2 mosquito nets to the fire victims. With an aim to control COVID-19 pandemic and make the masses follow the guidelines laid down by government during the lockdown, an all Sora COVID-19 control team has been formed under the leadership of Kakching District Upadhyaksha Mohammad Nijamuddin yesterday. Kakching District Superintendent of Police Victoria Yengkhom and her subordinate officials and Palel Primary Health Center officials are part of the team. Essential goods were distributed to households of Lilong Municipality Council amid the COVID-19 lockdown. Chingfu Shereng Saidamlup, Ishok Maning Chingya along with the youths of the locality under the supervision of Nambol MLA Namirakpam Loken Singh sanitized various parts of Ishok Maning Chingya and Ishok Terapokpi Kabuikhun using disinfectants today.
Hidala thak khoji phenyl suno dressing powder singba koi nahal chingfu sereng sedumok ki jurching amadi terapopi kabuji nahal singna koi hidala thak ukhida suno se thopa ki dressing powder phenyl singba so chingfu dalaga.
Khongam Awang Youth and Co-Adjutant Club Khongam Awang under Bishnupur district have distributed food items to residents during the COVID-19 nationwide lockdown today at Khongam Awang Lekai. Pulses, edible oil, salt and other essential items were distributed. The local club said that the items were distributed to help curb the shortage of food during the coronavirus pandemic. He also urged the people to strictly follow the social distancing and stay-at-home norms. A COVID-19 relief committee, Bishnupur, has been formed to provide assistance to the people of Bishnupur constituency. The committee was formed after a meeting at Bishnupur CI College Road, which was attended by Manipur Pollution Control Board Chairman and Oinam constituency MLA L. Radhakishore. Social workers from Bishnupur and Sanajauba and TH Yaima, Bishnupur Municipal Council Chairperson L. Maniyaima, PRDA Bishnupur Agriculture Consultant M. Bilke and Nacho Zilla Parishad Member TH Dilip Mitay and Sanajauba assured of providing essential commodities and assistance to the people of Bishnupur district. Now the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, COVID-19, India records highest single day spike with 601 cases. State's first positive case, states negative. Huge consignment of betel leaves seized at airport. The People's Chronicle, betel leaves brought in cargo plane sparks uproar. State first COVID-19 patient test negative. The Sunday, result of preliminary COVID-19 screening test on first patient negative. Lockdown, cargo planes with betel leaves lane in Imphal draws public flag. Human rights group appeal NSRC on arbitrary arrests, detentions.
Now the top news headlines once again. Die of COVID-19 in India. Positive cases rise to 3,374. Trump urges PM Modi to lift export hold on anti-malaria drug for COVID-19 treatment. And former Manipur Deputy CM L. Chandramani no more. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.